Hi, in this lecture, I will mention about why you or your company should select Oracle database when there are lots of others. Actually, based on your needs, you can select any other databases, of course, because there are many cheaper and even free databases. But when you select another, you will not be able to use so many features that Oracle database offer. Actually, I am not an Oracle partner, so I don't try to sell you the database, of course. But I think you must know the difference of your database among the others, because sometimes you may confuse about choosing the database, or maybe your friends can say that some others are better or something like that. At that time, you must know the difference of Oracle database to be sure that you are in the right place. We can count so many reasons why you should select Oracle, but in this lecture, I will mention the most important ones without boring you with the technical details. If you don't understand some terms, do not worry. We will mention that in this course in the next lectures. So let's see them in 5 categories. The first one is security. Oracle is a very secure database. It has both its own security things and its design also enables you to create really secure codes. There are so many technical details about that, but I don't want to confuse you for now. The second one is performance. Especially if you work with a large amount of data, you will most probably have performance issues with the other databases. But Oracle handles that with its optimizer, tuning options, and with the hardwares they offer to us that work perfectly fast with the database. There are a lot of reasons that Oracle is really good for performance. I can write so many technical reasons for that, but there is no need to mention for now. The third one is scalability. You can have a great amount of data in your tables without any problems, because nowadays we have a huge amount of data and storing them in one source is sometimes a huge problem for the databases. But Oracle has great options for that. So you can scale your data without any problems. The next one is powerful coding. With Oracle SQL and PL/SQL, you can create really powerful codes which run in the database efficiently. Oracle SQL and PL/SQL have so many features that the other databases are far away from that abilities. With these languages, you can create faster, stronger, and much capable codes. Again, I don't want to enter the technical details. The last one is My Oracle support. I think this is a really important thing, especially for the companies. Because while the data in your database grows with all the complexity of your business, sometimes you may stuck in somewhere and cannot solve that problem. At that time, you can easily reach to the official Oracle employees and solve your problems together. I know that this is really useful because no one can know the database more than its developers. And you can reach to them individually. That's great, huh? Besides, you can get the support for each product of Oracle. However, I have to say that you need to pay for this. You don't have to get that support if you believe that you can solve your problems alone, but there will be some times that you will extremely need that support. That's a great ease. Besides, there are many more advantages against the other databases, like unlike the others, Oracle is pretty stable on deadlocks, or unlike the others, Oracle can run on multiple operating systems, or Oracle supports more than 20 programming languages. This goes on like that. So, are there any cons for this database? Yes, but a few. The first one is, unlike some other databases, you must know how to deal with that database, because it enables you to do so many things, so you may have some unintentional results if you do something without knowing. Like using a plane instead of a car, you need to know what you are doing. Otherwise, the consequences may not be good. You don't lose the data, of course, because Oracle guarantees you not to lose your data, but you may need more hardware, you may have memory issues, etc. But this is not about the database, This is about what you did since you did something wrong. The second one is, of course, it is not free, and sometimes more expensive than many others. But according to your needs, you can decrease that cost. Actually, decreasing the cost is not your job. Your managers and DBAs do that. But it is free for personal usages. If you want to use that database at home, you don't pay for it. But if you will use that in your company, I mean for commercial use, you need to pay for this. So, if you want to choose a database, you will need to make your choice against the price and the capabilities. But if you think about the capabilities and the performance, Oracle is the best for now. Most of the Fortune companies use Oracle for their most critical data. I can simply say that more than 95% of the Fortune companies that you might think about now are using Oracle database. For instance, according to Sifter.com, Facebook, IBM, LinkedIn, PayPal, JP Morgan, Intel, Amazon, etc. are using Oracle database. This list goes on like that. Besides, according to dbengines.com, Oracle is the most popular database among 300 databases. It is number one for years. And as a programmer, if you deal with Oracle, most probably you will earn more. I will base that course entirely on Oracle SQL. But if you are a user of another platform, you can use that knowledge easily on the others too. Great! In this lecture, I try to explain why you should choose the Oracle database when there are others briefly. So this is the end of this lecture. See you in the next lectures.